For those of you that have been watching my channel lately, you know that I've been launching my drone over the house trying to capture panoramic sunsets. Well, this evening I had the drone up and the sunset was nothing special, but out over the ocean I noticed the moon was rising. So I rotated the drone around in that direction and was admiring the clouds and moon when I noticed the battery was getting low. So I was descending when all of a sudden a bright white orb shot across the sky at a very high rate of speed, much faster than any commercial or military aircraft that I've ever seen, and it left no contrail like most jets. Now you'll see it appear from the top left of the screen above the moon, and it disappears on the right side of the screen about a third of the way down. So leave me a comment and let me know, what do you think? Did I witness a UFO?